Hello mates, this is Srinath signing in. Welcome to ADF channel. In this video, we're going to discuss about how to make money online just with a couple of clicks to purchase any Google product from the Google Play Store for absolutely free. First, let's understand how this works. Have you ever wondered how Google knows almost everything, like details about a small shop or traffic near the street? Does Google hire people everywhere to get this info? Or are they watching us from the skies through satellites? Of course not. Nobody can do this at such a large scale. It's just right next to impossible. So how do they do it? Well, the answer is simple. Google uses data that are collected from every human possible. Yes, people like you and me, through surveys or simple info questions about the place you visit or any other method. Wow, we are the crucial part of providing Google to help them to make their app successful and make our lives easier. So we deserve to be rewarded for our generous role of sharing our thoughts and opinions, right? So here's the Google's Opinion Rewards app to convert your opinions into money on your Google credits just by answering surveys with multiple choice questions right on your mobile app. Simple, right? Yeah, here how it's done. Just install the Google Opinions Reward app from the Google Play Store and log in with your Gmail ID and start answering the questions. The money will be credited to your Google Play credits and you can use them to purchase anything from Play Store, movies, games, in-app purchases or anything published on the App Store. What are you waiting for then? Install the app and start making money. Hope you enjoyed this video and found it very informative. Spread the joy of earning money by sharing this video to your friends so that they can enjoy as well. Click on the subscription button on the center for more cool videos and give a big thumbs up like. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.